somebody tell Kim K to stop playing silly buggers like right now. Right now. Are we being for real? That in the big 2025, we're having hairy thongs? Now, what you do with your hair down there is your business. Pay me no mind. It's your business. Is it not our God-given right to grow our own hair? Can't grow hair down there, then I'm sorry that this is the product for you if you want it. Can I tell you how hard it was to try and find an image? Because I keep thinking the images I've found are some cheap costume shop like Merkin. But they're not, I don't think. So yeah, I think it's safe to say I'm safe from this new craze. Safe.